Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Wallet Reset. I am Mike Malbro, and we're going to talk about how to make money online in the next 48 hours. So, if you watched my last video, right, where I talk about starting a business online in 3 hours or less, if you haven't watched it, it's underneath this video, by the way. But if you watched it, I want you to know that the same rule applies to this as it did to that. Money loves speed. And with money loving speed, that requires something of you, right? So what most people do, the mistake that most people make when they're first starting out, is they immediately are like, I want to get free traffic. I want to only focus on getting free traffic. And free traffic is great, right? Your business does need free traffic because it's free, right? But the problem is that it requires a lot of upfront work, right? And upfront work typically is what causes you to lose your motivation when you do start a business online. So how do we get traffic fast, right? And make our money online within the next 48 hours or less? Well, the first thing we got to do is pay for traffic. And you can do other things, but in reality, it's just not. You want to be able to control your business. And if you can't control your business, then you don't have a business. You have a hobby, right? So I can almost imagine everyone out there being like, well, I don't want to pay for traffic because traffic is, yeah, you pay for traffic, right? When I first started out, I paid for traffic and I got immediate results literally within the first 2 days. And I had no idea what I was doing, okay? I was super scared. I was super skeptical, but I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do it, right? And I want you to know that if you don't do it, you're really, you know what it's like? It's like if you're a farmer, right? If you're a farmer and you're trying to start a farm, you don't want to start with one seed. And that's really what it's like when you're focusing on like, okay, I'm going to just put up free traffic and wait, right? You're putting in one seed and you're waiting for it to grow. A farmer would want to fill the land, and it's like, I just want to plant as many seeds as possible. And that's what advertising does, right? Advertising it basically takes your efforts and it multiplies it so that you can get results much faster, right? Imagine being able to just send traffic anytime you want. That's why you should pay for traffic first, all right? So now a lot of people are scared to use paid traffic because it's paid, right? It's an expense. It's something that requires actual money for you to just figure out if it works or not, right? And while that's something that scares a lot of people, you have to understand that you shouldn't be afraid of it because free traffic costs something. And it may not cost money, but it costs time and it costs energy. And that's what will cause you to fail because you have to manage your motivation, especially early on, right? After you've been doing this for a long time, you start to have a more of a strong mindset, right? You start to be able to say, okay, well, this is just a part of the game. But early on, if you don't get sales for months and months and months at a time or weeks at a time, there may just be something wrong, right? You might just need to make a tweak, but you don't know that because of the fact that you're brand new. And so oftentimes what happens is people quit. They don't seek out more information. They just quit. So that is what we're trying to avoid, right? So free traffic is not easy, right? And now here's the thing. I want to make sure that you guys understand paid traffic doesn't work 100% of the time either, right? So let me tell you the full story about what happened to me. What happened to me was the first time I bought traffic. I made my first sale within, I think it was just maybe 36 hours, 24 hours, something like that. I don't know. It was within a day and a half, maybe, right? It was before 2 days. And I made $18 off of that sale, right? $18 in commission. The problem is that I spent about $36 to get that commission of $18. So I actually was at a loss, right? I lost twice the amount of money that I made. So that did two things for me. It let me know this actually works, right? And then it also let me know something about what I did was wrong, right? And after a long period of time, I finally found a formula that works, right? And I actually put it all together, and over the years, I've realized that this system always works. And I call it Starter's Formula. I put it together for you guys. It's pretty cool. If you guys want to get it, it's basically I walk you through step by step how to start and make your first sale online in 48 hours or less. So if you want to get that, go ahead and click the link in the description. But yeah, so this, for me, it just took me a long time to really understand that you can't approach an online business as just like a sales business. You have to have a strategy. And after you have a strategy, then you have a sales business, because the strategy works with you, right? The strategy helps you to have something that almost guarantees you're gonna have success. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment if you have any questions, or if you just want to say hi and whatever. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully this helps you guys learn how to make money online in the next 48 hours. And I'll see you guys in the next video.